Human papillomavirus, or HPV, is the most common sexual transmitted disease, and about 4% of the women and 10% of the men, they have virus in their mouth, and this incidence increased to 20% in those people that they have genital HPV too. There are over 100 types of the HPV. That's less than half of them transmitted through the direct contact, through the intercourse or oral sex or kissing, mouth to mouth, all of them. If there is a virus, one of the partner has a virus. Most of the cases infected HPV is cured by the body itself during 1 or 2 years. And in some studies show that in all people, adults, everybody during their life, especially in Western, there is not a study in the other country too much. In Western country, about 70 to 80% of the people in their life, they get infected with this virus. The problem with the genital HPV is that cervical cancer in women. Nowadays, over 80% of the cervical cancer is due to infected with the HPV. As I mentioned, a small percentage of the people, they are asymptomatic. They don't have any symptom problem and they just have virus or they carry on the virus. The other symptomatic that infected with this virus in the genital area can cause wart. The regular wart that we see on the hands and other part of the body, we can see wart in the genital. Depending which part of the genital is a little, the appearance is different. If it's in the mucus inside of the vagina or labia, it looks like the pigmented and lesion, white lesion with a specific pattern. But in the external genital area, skin, that genital, it shows the same, it has the same feature of the wart, but since there is pressure on the wart, they become flat. So that is the appearance, the classic appearance of genital wart. Generally speaking, whenever we have any lesion at that genital area, it's better we go and check with the doctor. The problem with HPV on the mouth is cancer, oropharynx cancer or simple throat cancer. And over 70% of the cancer in the mouth, that is squamous cell carcinoma, is due to this virus. And the only way this virus can go to the oropharynx is direct contact through the oral sex. So the answer for the oral sex is safe or not? No, it's the same as the having direct intercourse. And beside of that, we can transmit it. This it show in some study that many people, they have GI cancer due to this virus too, not only throat cancer. So the oral sex in nutshell is worse than the intercourse, direct intercourse sex. The reason for behavior of this cancer, this type of the virus infection and cancer, still we don't have the mechanism, because as I mentioned, we have over 100 types of this virus. Some type has higher risk for creating this cancer. There are some direct correlation with some behavior, sexual behavior, and the risk of the infection and cancer, oral cancer. Among them is high body count, means those they have multiple partners. Second, having anal sex. And the third, those people, they have history of the sexual transmitted diseases. So generally, all those, if we want to have safe sex, we have to follow the general caution, including not having multiple partner, or at least we use condom. The other technique and method doesn't work at all. Do we have any treatment for this? Unfortunately, up to this time, we don't have any cure and medication and treatment for the virus, but we have some treatment for wart and those lesions, including cryosurgery, some chemical peeling, and so on. But fortunately, during the last years, there are some progress in the treatment of the virus. That one of them is a combination of type of microbiome they are testing, and they gave us some promising result. Here I would like to answer another propaganda or crazy information that I notice in the internet and other sources, unfortunately, and that is is that safe we eat secretion and or semen or not? Some people, they say it has good and benefit effect. First of all, whatever is inside of the genital area, if the person has infected with any kind of the microbe, it can transfer through those secretion, including semen. Second, there is not any proof that show those material in semen has good for body. All of them are BS. And the third one is that oral sex, and especially eating the semen, can create gag reflux that in long term can create reflux and all those consequences that is beyond this presentation. I hope it was useful for your health cares condition, and up to the next time, have a wonderful time.